on a road, go do the thing now. Herbal laws, magical laws, yeah.
Extended family, forward. Family, why underperform fruit tree need crucial pruning? Sometimes, yeah, the plant, yeah, it have disease, yeah, and you want to keep the health and the growth of the plant. You realize that the plant is underperforming. Yeah. So when pruning tree, you have to have the right tool. Yeah. This is for the bigger limbs. This is for the smaller ones. There's the same brand product. Yeah. Marigold since 1958. And it's very sharp. Yeah. Very, very, very sharp. Yeah. You will see some white spots. Yeah. These are, disease. Yeah. Cut it. There's still life in the plant. I had to cut a limb from this tree. Actually, this tree is called locust. But on the locust tree, yeah, I have a passion fruit that's bearing. Yeah. So these are the passion fruit. Yeah. And there's a lot of passion fruit on it. Yeah. Lot of passion fruit. So I had to carry it closer, you know, because it was far up in the air. Yeah. Passion fruit is full with a lot of vitamin C. You know, it make nice juice and you can actually have it just like this. So you'll cut the cup open, yeah, and then you'll have the fruit out of it. The cherry tree was underperforming, not undergrown, underperforming, yeah, because it started to bear and the fruits were fine, small, you know. Now also there was, I don't know if it's aphids, yeah, but it was taking over the entire tree. So that's the reason why the tree need crucial pruning, you know, because it's underperforming, and pruning will help with the health of the plant. It will help it to grow better. Now, there's a specific time and season when it's best to prune. You know, when I read up about what's the best time to prune a cherry tree, it said the best time to prune a cherry tree is late summer. Now, we are in May, you know, so we are just going into summer, you know, and it also depends on the region that you are. You know, around here in the Caribbean, Jamaica, you know, we are going into summer, because our summer starts end of June, July, yeah. So it's not late summer, it's early, but I'm also trying to save and protect the tree. So pruning for this tree is very crucial. Also, this tree is a merengue tree, you know, and the limb in the middle, you know, right here, you know, it was getting a bit rot, you know. I'll show you the clip. So I had to cut it and cover it so that water don't seep in the plant and rotten the plant more than what it is. Now the reason for cutting this limb is because it was so, there was some passion fruit on the tree and it's hard to reach them, so cut it down, yeah, place it beside, so it's easy to reach the passion fruits. Yeah, man. And I also harvest some callaloo. Yeah, man. So I hope you enjoy today's episode and hope you learn something from it. Yeah, man. Appreciate your presence as always. Yeah, man. Herbal Law. See you in another one. You know?